Look at a big monster on the roof. They must see something that was over here in this yard. About 4 or 5 of them over there. And then on top of the house, plotting. I wonder what's over there. Shouldn't be nothing over there really, because it's right beside my house. But evidently, it gotta be something for them to be around like that. Look at them, like they got masks on. I always see them on the side of the road. The wife said it was turkeys. What y'all think, y'all? I don't think turkeys look like that. They got a little, I don't know, I don't think they're turkeys though. I think they're vultures or what is it called? I forgot. Comment down below, you know what I'm talking about. If you can see them, I think I got a good angle. He's just sitting up there chilling. Wonder where his friends at. Let me walk over here, y'all don't see if I see him, I don't know. I want him to attack me. Look at that big guy. I would look over the fence, but that's where he plotting at. I don't think I'm trying to take his food. I don't know, guys. Came out here to mess around with my garden today, but clean it up a little bit. Get rid of some of these plants that's not producing no more. But I don't know. I want him to think I'm some food that he can come down and try to grab me. You see him over there still? I know it was 4 over there at first. Oh, they all on the roof. Oh, let's see, y'all. She said it up there on the roof. Oh, look at them guys. Y'all see him? He just flew away. I can't even direct the camera right. There go the third one. You see another one. Oh yeah, look, y'all. They were hiding from me. I ain't see them. Them 2 over there, 2 just flew away. They plotting on something, but there go another one. Just flew away and catch him. Where at? See him? It was 4 altogether, I think. It was 4.
But we done see 3.
Yeah, 2 flew away. They way over there. But, oh well. Alright, let's see if I can go ahead and get to work. 2 flew away, so hopefully they decide to go. Look at them. Look at them big guys. Alright.